Specs comparison video Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus versus Tecno Camon 30s. Let's find which one is better. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Dimensions: Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, length 164.1, weight 74.4, thickness 6.8 mm. Better than Tecno Camon 30s, length 164.5, weight 74.6, thickness 7.6 mm. Weight: Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus 162 gram weight is better than Tecno Camon 30s. Build: both phones have almost similar build quality. Network: both phones have 4G network support. OS: both phones have latest operating system. Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus has Android 14 and XOS 14.5. Tecno Camon 30s has Android 14 and iOS 14. Processor: both phones have same MediaTek Helio G100 processor. Display type and size: both phones have same AMOLED 6.78 inches display. Display resolution and PPI: both phones have same quality display resolution and PPI. Display refresh rate: both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Display brightness: Tecno Camon 30s 1300 nits HBM brightness is better than Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus 1300 nits peak brightness. Display protection: both phones have Corning Gorilla Glass display protection. Fingerprint and Face ID: both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID support. Internal: both phones have different RAM and storage variants. It's your choice which variant is better for you. Card slot: both phones have micro SD card slot option. Rear camera: Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus has triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 3rd megapixel camera has no specs. Tecno Camon 30s has dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth camera. Rear camera video recording: both phones can record same quality 1440p 30 fps rear camera video recording. Front camera: both phones have same 13 megapixel front selfie camera. Front camera video recording: both phones have front camera video recording option. 3.5mm audio jack: Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus has audio jack option. Tecno Camon 30s has no audio jack option. Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is better than Tecno Camon 30s. Stereo speakers: Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus has stereo speaker support. Tecno Camon 30s has dual speaker support. Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is better than Tecno Camon 30s. NFC: both phones have NFC support. USB type: both phones have Type-C charging port. Wired charging: both phones have same quality 33 watt fast charging. Wireless charging: both phones have no wireless charging option. Battery capacity: both phones have same 5000 mAh battery capacity. The specs comparison winner is Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Let me know in the comment section which phone is better for you.